This week we have done, let me have a look here, we have done the median, we have done the mode, and we have done the mean. We've been ticking them off. The last one we have to do is the range, okay? And let's just zoom in here and see what the range is. The range is the difference, okay, between the lowest and the highest value. Okay, the value here is referring to numbers, the numbers here. So find the highest and the lowest values and then subtract the lowest value from the highest. So you can see here we have 2, 2, 3, 5, 5, 7, 8. So the smallest or the lowest is 2, the highest is 8. So all we have to do to find the range is subtract 8 and 2. Okay, 2 minus 8. And that gives us 6. So the range is 6. So normally you'll be given a question like this, okay? And you will be given a list of numbers like this, all right, written out, an array of numbers, an array of values. And they'll say, find the range of these numbers. So step one, okay? Let's do this by step. Step one, we are going to arrange the numbers in order of increasing value. Okay, we're going to arrange them from lowest to highest. So step one is arrange. And what's the lowest number there? It's 7. And what's the next number up? It's 9. What's the next number up? It's 12. And the next number up is 15. And the next number up is 21. And the next number up is 22. And the next number up is 28. And let's see, how many numbers do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, I've missed one. Which one have I missed? I see it. I have missed. And that is why it is important to check. I've missed 19. Okay, 19, and then it was 21, and then it was 22, and then it was 28. Now, step 2 is highlight. Now, you don't have to use a highlighter for this, but all I'm going to do is, I'll change the color actually to make it a little nicer. I'm going to take what's the smallest value or number and the biggest. All right, so that is step 2, is highlight those two. Now, step 3 is subtract. Subtract. So I'll take 28, which is the biggest, and I will subtract the smallest number, which is 7, and that will give me 21. So the range of this array of numbers or values is 21. From smallest to biggest, it's 21. Okay, that's the answer. Done. Now, pause the video now and have a go using the same technique, using these numbers on the right hand side here. Okay, pause it and have a go. All right, so we can arrange it like I've said here. So let's arrange it. The smallest number looks to be 8, and then it's 17, and then I think the next one is 31, and then the next one is 54, and the next one is 99, and the next one is 110. How many numbers is it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then we cross it off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Got it right this time. Brilliant. Now, I'm going to highlight the smallest and the biggest number. I'll just draw a square around them. And now I'm going to subtract them. 110 minus 8. That is 102. So our answer is 102. And that is the range. Now, what you can do is, I'm doing this out for you now, step by step, okay? So you understand the best way to do it. But if you feel confident, you can look in the list of numbers for the smallest number, and you can circle it and say, okay, that's the smallest number. And then you can look in the list of numbers for the biggest number. Okay, that's the biggest number. And once you have the biggest number and the smallest number, you can subtract them. That means that you get to skip this section and you jump straight here to this section. Okay, you get to skip step 1 and step 2. So you can do that too, but you have to be careful, okay? You have to make sure that you have circled the correct smallest number and that you have circled the correct biggest number, all right? And that's our answer. Now, today I have sent out a worksheet with 3 questions. I want you to do those 3 questions, and they're all to do with range. They should only take you about 10 minutes. And then send a picture of it and send it back to me, so you'll be included in the raffle.